Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Parrot ANAFI, first test flight. Got that coming right up. Was able to spend some time with one of my very favorite people in the drone community, Rick Smith from Drone Valley, and he gave me the wonderful opportunity of flying the Parrot ANAFI. So without any further ado, we're going to roll that clip right now. I'm loving this. I really like this drone here. I can't get over how quiet this is, Rick. I can't get over how quiet this is.
Yeah, I know.
It's just incredible.
Stable too.
It is. It's just, even a moderate wind, it's just. You know, I think if my memory serves me right, I think Best Buy was offering $100 off on these.
It's actually, yeah, I think it's more even over the weekend.
Yeah.
What's the price point on that?
It was, what, $699?
Yeah, I think it's down, I think below 600 at this point. I was hearing 5 or 10. They're having a Black Friday sale on it too.
It's cute.
Yeah.
Wow.
You don't know anybody with that, you know? Like the Mavic's can be a little bit annoying in the air. That one's not. That one's,
No, this is not at all. Well, my biggest grief with the Mavic Air is it sounds like a hornet's nest.
it does.
Do you have any comments on it, honey?
What's that?
Do you have any comments?
I absolutely love getting the ANAFI up here. It's light, it's nimble, it's fast. From what I saw of the camera, it looks fantastic. I definitely would absolutely recommend this drone to people. It's easy to fly, it's fun, and it's at a great price point too.
Did you want to show off any features that you like about it?
Let's go ahead and show off. Let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and take off here. And get it to hover so you can take a good look at it. Let's move it just a little closer to us. And it's very stable. I'm very, very impressed with that. And it's quiet. I think you could probably hear it. It's one of the things that and it pretty much stops on a dime. Its lateral movement is great. Controls are very responsive. And there we are on camera. I think it looks great, and the app is impressive. I really kind of like this app. I think it. And it landed. Okay, absolutely fantastic. I'll get this and put it on top of the motor.
Are there characteristics about that you like?
Yeah, you know, it is very lightweight. It's very compact. I think the camera's pretty incredible from what I can see. I'm looking at you right now as you're filming this, and it's coming through crystal clear on Rick's phone here. The quietness of this drone really impresses me. And the speed of this drone impresses me, and its lateral movement, up and down, everything. This is definitely a drone that people should consider. I would definitely put this in a category that this would be a drone you should look at, especially you know, if it's on sale. It's a good price point. It's light. It's nimble. It's very, very, very easy to fly. I really like that, and the app's great too. I think Parrot has a home run with this. Now, how did you like that? I thought that was fantastic. You know, the ANAFI right now, it's light, it's nimble, it's easy to fly. The app is easy to use, has a great interface with it. Being able, this tilt camera was absolutely fantastic on it. It's something that I would definitely give it a look at and a strong consideration. It has a great price point. It's something that can fit easily into your backpack. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.